If you're watching this, something already went wrong. Maybe a drive threw a smart error at 2 AM. Maybe your RAID 5 just lost a second disk before you could replace the first one. Or maybe the controller just died and now the whole volume won't mount. Whatever happened, before you do anything else, stop. Because the next thing you do can either save your data or permanently destroy it. And I've seen both, so let's make sure it's the first one. Hi, I'm Josh from Stellar, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to recover data from damaged RAID servers, and what you should and shouldn't do when things go wrong. Here's the reality of RAID failures that most people don't talk about. RAID was designed for uptime, not data protection. When a RAID 5 loses 2 drives, when a controller fails mid-write, when someone runs the wrong rebuild command, the array goes down. But in most cases, the raw data on those disks is completely intact. The damage is usually at the RAID metadata level. Disk order got scrambled, stripe information got wiped, parity is inconsistent. That's actually good news, because that's recoverable. What's not recoverable is when someone forces a rebuild on an already degraded array and overwrites everything trying to fix it. Okay, so here's exactly what you should do the moment a RAID array goes critical. Number 1, kill the power. Don't let a degraded array keep running. Every write cycle is a risk. Number 2, document everything before you touch the drives. Note down the RAID level, disk order, controller model, stripe size if you know it. Take a photo of the drive bay. This information will save you later. Number 3, do not rebuild. I know the controller is screaming at you to initialize or rebuild. Ignore it. A failed rebuild on a degraded array is the single most common reason data becomes unrecoverable. Number 4, pull the drives carefully in order. Label them. Disk 0, Disk 1, Disk 2. Do not mix them up. Once the drives are out, connect them to a clean Windows machine. Direct SATA connections are ideal. USB adapters work too if that's what you've got. From here, you need software that can reconstruct the RAID virtually, meaning it reads raw data from each drive and rebuilds the logical structure in software without writing a single byte back to your disks. Stellar Data Recovery Technician does exactly this. It covers RAID 0, RAID 5, RAID 6, and hybrid RAID arrays, so whatever you're running, you're good. Here's what the process looks like. You open the software, go to the RAID recovery section, and add each drive in order. The software will attempt to auto-detect the RAID parameters, level, stripe size, disk order, parity rotation. If the metadata is too corrupted for auto-detection, you can plug those values in manually. That's where your documentation from step 1 pays off. Run the scan. It will reconstruct the virtual RAID volume and show you a full file tree. Your folders, your files, everything. You can preview before you recover anything. When you're ready to recover, and this is critical, save to a completely separate volume. External drive, network share, anywhere that isn't those original RAID disks. Now, what if one of the drives has physical damage? Clicking sounds, not spinning up, not detected at all? Don't force it. Connecting a physically failing drive and hammering it with a scan can push it past the point of no return. In that case, the honest answer is, you're looking at a professional data recovery lab. Software cannot recover from a head crash or seized spindle. Stellar also offers professional recovery services if you're in that situation and the data is critical enough to justify it. But if the drives are electrically healthy and only the RAID structure is broken, software recovery is absolutely the right call. Look, RAID failures at the server level feel catastrophic, especially when there's production data or client files on the line. But most of the time, if you act fast and act smart, the data comes back. Free trial of Stellar Data Recovery Technician is in the description. It will show you a full preview of your recoverable files before you commit to anything. And if this helped, drop a comment below, especially if you're dealing with a specific RAID setup like RAID 6, RAID 10, or Synology SHR. Happy to cover those in detail. See you in the next one.